Updating your tax information on Stripe is essential to ensure compliance and accurate reporting. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account for which you want to update the tax information. Step 2. Navigate to the tax settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Escrow to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Review current tax information. In the tax settings, review the existing tax information you have on file. This includes your tax identification number and any other relevant details that may need updating. Step 4. Update your tax information. Click on the option to edit or update your tax information. Enter the new details as required, ensuring that all information is accurate and up to date. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your tax information, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your tax information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can ensure that your tax information on Stripe is current and compliant. Regular updates can help avoid any issues during tax season.